Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are delving into the world of wallpaper designs, showcasing an array of captivating patterns and styles to elevate your interior space. From timeless classics to bold contemporary prints, there is something for every taste and aesthetic preferences. We will explore various wallpaper options including floral motifs, geometric patterns, textured finishes, and intricate design inspired by nature. Learn how to use wallpaper to add a depth, character, and visual interest to any room in your home. Whether it's a living room, bedroom, or even bathroom, discover tips and tricks for selecting the perfect wallpaper to complement your existing decor and enhance the ambience of your space. Whether you're looking to make a statement with a feature wall or creating a cohesive theme throughout your home, this video has everything you need to know about wallpaper design. Join us as we dive into the inspiring world of wallpaper and unleash your creativity in interior design. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration from Sumi Interior Ideas. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.